Here's a really unique and older style looking building here in Lisbon Falls. Driving by it, looks like it was vacant, or it's vacant, but Big Dad's bait tackle and shop. And then upstairs in a faded sign we have Lisbon Counseling Associates. But look at that stairwell. It's like an indoor stairwell. I've never seen like this. Anything. It's like an indoor stairwell on the outside. It's pretty cool. Funky looking building. Yeah, it's just one big empty storefront. And on this side it's Northern Chi Martial Arts. That looks pretty vacant to me. I do like the style of the building. It's even a door up there. It must be for like chucking hay or something. You see that in a lot of like country style buildings. It's a pretty cool old building. Yep, pretty empty. Right next to that building is the old Good Times Lanes Candlepin Bowling Pizza Takeout Joint. I just took a peek inside and it looks completely abandoned. Let me show you. It's a trip. Damn, can't see anything. Must have those double door things too. There we go. Look at that. Looks like it's been sitting empty for a little while now. Who would have thought you could stuff a bowling alley in this building? From the front it looks really small, but it's a lot deeper than I thought. Let's see if we can have another look from the side. Well, there isn't really any other window to look into it. So that's it. Looks like a rear door back here, but not gonna even go over there. An old bowling alley.